Demand is very high for student accommodation at the moment. There's a shortfall of just under 600,000 properties across the UK. There's a growing number of students that are coming to universities from the UK and overseas, and also there's a greater importance from students and parents on better accommodation, so those with facilities, more secure properties in more central locations.
Some of the amenities and features that students expect in their accommodation at the moment are good quality, security, Wi-Fi, but really they're happy to pay a little bit more for the premium developments when they come with on-site gyms, communal areas, something that gives them their own piece of security and mind in their own space. So investors are moving away from more traditional buy-to-let models and into areas like purpose-built student accommodation because of reasons such as rising mortgage rates, additional costs, more regulations when it comes to tenants and your traditional buy-to-let. But it also just allows them to be investing in a fully hands-off opportunity with high-yielding options.
Purpose-built student accommodation gives them a steady stream of new tenants that are going to be moving to the properties each year, and these properties are usually fully managed for them as well by a local specialised management company or letting agent. They have the contacts with the universities that can advertise, find the new students prior to the academic year ending so that students will stay in the properties for 2 to 3 years on average. So it gives investors the confidence that their property is going to be let for a couple of years at a time. The other concern that investors have is that the property is not going to be let for the full calendar year. Most contracts that students will sign with the letting agent is for 48 or 51 weeks, so it covers the full year, bar a bit of time to go in and do a little repair and maintenance work in between tenancies. Purpose-built student accommodation is a long-term investment strategy, so because they're usually one of the lower priced properties that you can buy anywhere, with a high yield, people buy them for the long term. Knocks work with a handful of experienced developers who've produced thousands of student properties to the market. So we're best placed to identify the perfect locations for the properties, get specialised access to these deals before they come to the market, and then we work with investors on what their requirements are to make sure that these properties fit in terms of budget and yields, and also to make sure that they're completely managed for them. So if you're interested in student accommodation, please feel free to get in touch. We have a variety of different opportunities available at the moment. We'll be able to give you a free, no obligation discussion over the different opportunities and see if any of these properties are suitable for what you're looking for.